Do subscribe and click on the bell icon. Hello friends, welcome to Tuto. Today in this short video, we will learn how to clean junk memory from our Android phone. There are so many software you can find on Play Store account, but we don't wanna install any of this. Rather, we will use only ShareIt. First of all, we have to have a software named ShareIt. I think most of the people have this software, but if you don't have this software, just go to Play Store account and download it. Now open the ShareIt app. Tap on this other. As soon as you tap on other, it will start scanning your storage. After it finished with the scanning, it will show you how much junk memory you have on your Android phone. You can analyze it deeply, but we don't wanna do it right now. After this, tap on clean. You can select or deselect files and folders if it seems to be important to you, and tap on clean it. Now your Android phone is free from junk files and folders. So this is for today's video. Hope this video was helpful to you. Hit the like and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.